How can we say we are Catholics if we hear, we bow? Peace this side and peace this side. Sometimes people give this side to somebody and there is a wall, and to the wall also they give peace, our people. Meaningless ritual. You have to give peace to people and not to the wall. How can we be divided? I cannot be a Catholic only in the church. I have to be a Catholic wherever I go. Can I say I'm a priest only in the church? I am a priest if I go to the seashore for a swim. I am a priest if I go to market. I am a priest if I go to a theater to watch a movie. Wherever I go, I am a priest. So if we are Catholics everywhere. So we have to be united. We cannot have division among ourselves based on our territorial identity. See how we divide here, people. First we divide Goan versus non-Goan. See, non-Goans. As if people born in Goa come down from heaven and others from hell. Is it providential or accidental that somebody is born in Goa and somebody born in Tamil Nadu or Kashmir? If it is a providential that somebody was born in Goa is providential, someone born in Kashmir also providential that God designed. And if somebody born in Goa is accidental, somebody born in Kashmir also accidental. So let us not take pride in these things. It's a territorial identity. Our identity comes not from the place we were born, not from our education, not from our families, not from our riches, not from our skin color, not from anything which we possess. Our identity as Catholics comes from Jesus. He is our creator. He is our savior. He is our sustainer. And he sustains us by his own body and blood.